Hello and welcome back. Let's explore how to write out from the code side of our live editor. The first code to put is the quadrant chart. And then afterwards, we're going to put in a title for the quadrant and then the description of the title. Afterwards, we specify the x-axis of the chart. So you say x-axis. In the x-axis, there are two parts, left and right. You can pass in the x-axis. You can either pass in the left and right, or you can pass in only the left. So the statement is x-axis, and then the description that will be on the left side, you can see, and then you put in a dash dot greater than sign, and then also the description that will be on the right side. So here on the left axis is showing low reach and high reach. We can also define the y-axis, so say y-axis, and do the same thing on the left side. The text that will indicate what will be on the left side, you can see here low engagement, and then the text that will be on the right side, which I will call high engagement, as it is shown here. The quadrant chart have 4 quadrants, and we can specify the label or the text that will show in each of the quadrants. I'm going to start with the first quadrant, quadrant 1-1, and then you say the text we want to show there. We should expand. That's the text, and as you can see, that text is being showed here. And we're going to do the same thing for quadrant 2, which will say need to promote, and then for quadrant 3, re-evaluate, and then quadrant 4, this is quadrant, not quadrant. So, and as you can see, all the labels are showing on the quadrants. Now let's plot the points that will be in the quadrant. And we're going to start that with the first label being campaign A, and it's going to have this X and Y axis. And as you can see, it is shown right there on the quadrant. I'm going to define another point, which is campaign X and Y coordinate, and you can see that shown here. And you do the same thing for all the points that you want to put, depending on the number of data that you have. So I'm just going to add some more points, and that will be for D, E, and F. And you can see all these points are plotted in the quadrants in different locations. And from here, you can see what, for instance, campaign C will be, and campaign D is in may be improved. This should be be improved. And this gives you a quadrant chart as shown here. You can check out my full video tutorial on Udemy titled Mastering Mermaid.js Diagram, Charts, and Data Visualization, which teaches in-depth course on different Mermaid.js diagram and chart implementation. Check out the link in the description for more details.